Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us here at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 36mm Rolex Day-Date President. This is one in 18 karat rose gold or ever rose gold with a new Eisenkiesel Diamond Dial. The model reference number for this watch is 128345RBR, and the retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $60,000 US dollars. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Rolex Day-Date is a 36mm watch, measuring from my thumb to my pointer finger here. This is a unisex watch that can be worn by men and women. It's considered mid-sized watch for men and a large watch for women. The case of this watch is made of ever rose, 18 karat rose gold. The sides and tops of the lugs holding the bracelet are high polished to a mirror finish. And if you look in the back, there's a screw down case back in the back. It makes the watch water resistant up to 100 meters or 330 feet. So it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Bezel here on this watch is crafted in 18 karat ever rose gold and holds 52 diamonds in it. It's a $13,000 upgrade from the fluted bezel, and it wraps up this Eisenkiesel dial very nicely. It's a super crisp look. Now going in the dial, we're looking at this beautiful Eisenkiesel dial with diamond hour markers. For those of you who are unfamiliar with what Eisenkiesel is, it's a quartz stone with iron embedded in it, and it translates to iron pebble in German. It's very difficult to work with, and it's fragile. But it also makes a great conversation piece, so it's unique in the watch world. Now, every Eisenkiesel dial is unique because it's different cut every time. There are diamond index hour markers going around the dial, and a diamond Roman 9 and a 6 as well, right here and here. This dial looks really good with the diamonds. There's no lume on this dial, so it's going to be hard for you to read in low light conditions. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. The second position will adjust the date function. Rotating clockwise, you can adjust the date. And if you want to change the day function, you're going to rotate counterclockwise. Now for the third pop out, you're going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have them set, you can screw your crown down and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3255. It has the hour, minute, day, date, and center seconds function. The power reserve is about 70 hours, so you can set the watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, it will still be keeping time. The self-winding rotor winds the watch while you're wearing it. On to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at an 18 karat rose gold bracelet. It has a half polish. There's high polish in the center links, and there's a satin finish on the outer links. This hidden oyster clasp deployment opens and closes up the bracelet, like so. Single fold over. The bracelet looks seamless aside from the crown clasp here. I might add that this bracelet also has ceramic inserts inside of the bracelet, and what that does is actually prevents the stretching of the bracelet over time. It's a beautiful bracelet. As far as what I think about this watch, overall this watch is a watch that a lot of people would like to keep on their wrist as a daily wear or as a second watch in the stable. This is a 36mm watch, so it's easy on the wrist. Men and women can wear it. It's a unisex watch. It would be great to wear as a weekend watch or for special engagements. It has a date function and a day function, so these are things that you would find in an everyday wear watch. So you could wear it as an everyday wear watch if you wanted to. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 128345 RBR. This is the Ever Rose Gold Rolex Day-Date 36 with Eisenkiesel Diamond Roman Dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.